So hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And what a day to be alive, to see what is actually happening in the market. We got a fresh new dump after 8 weeks of move to the upside. So on this video, I'll be doing analysis, market update on Bitcoin and probably ETH. So before further ado, let's dive right straight into this. And as well, remember, anything and everything I share on this video is not intended as financial advice. So let's see what we have here. So market has been pushing down. Started this new week with this red long candlestick, and market hasn't been really been able to sustain that move to the upside after we got that major push to test around 44,650. So what are we expecting this week? So this week tends to be more volatile. We have a lot of news coming in this week. We have CPI, the inflation rate too as well, which is coming up today. The last time where we had the CPI inflation rate came in, its market rallied really high and became way too volatile. So we should be expecting something today, and if we go below this 3.2, maybe 3.1, 3.0, market should be more volatile. So you guys need to be very careful with what you do, okay? And on Wednesday we'll be having the PPI for November and the yearly PPI too as well. Same thing as the FOMC economic meeting too, the federal interest rate decision too. So we should be very prepared for a volatile week, okay? So let's look at the chart. Let's see what is really happening. So I'm going to break this down based on the previous video I did. If you have not watched that, kindly click on the link and get to see what I talked about. So first thing first, let me start from the weekly time frame, which is very important. This is the weekly time frame candlestick, and I would say the week is still very new, very fresh to say. We might likely get that push to the downside, but price has really moved fast to the upside. It needs to cool off, find some levels to cool off before any major move again to the upside. So what are we looking at? I'll be using Ichimoku and other indicators to talk about the levels I'm watching closely. So the first thing, I'll be using the Ichimoku here, and take note of this. This is the weekly time frame. So as you can see, one thing I pay close attention to is the Tenkan, which is the blue EMA, and the Kijun, which is the red EMA. So whenever I see the both of them are totally flat, it's telling you that okay, no much momentum in the market to push price higher or to push price lower or thereabout, okay? And as you can see, I marked these three levels, and we've gotten one already. On the daily time frame, I think we have more move there. which I would love to talk about. So on the daily time frame, I've always talked about the C clamp here, which is, you can see the Tenken went far away from the Kijun, as you can see it here, and moving far away from the Kijun is telling you that price has moved very far away from the Kijun and the Tenken. You can see where price was when it was totally flat. So the first thing to look for here is the first support, which is the flat Tenken, and the second support, which is at the Kijun. So this is a weekly time, daily time frame, and whenever you see the Tenken that has curved to the upside and the Kijun has curved to the upside, is telling you that this is probably a Kijun and a Tenken, or a TK bullish angulation to the upside. So it's very, very important we understand how this angulation works to the upside. Okay, so there are so many things that could likely play out here, and looking at first thing first, let me remove the Shimoku. So we have our first support here. We have our first support here, which is very, very important. We have our first support here. So I probably think price would find a way to consolidate within this level here if this new support is maintained, or if, let me try to go to lower time frame here. So we're looking at this new support level. So this would probably turn to maybe a chart pattern, maybe a bullish continuation chart pattern. Yeah, but the most important part here is that we have gotten the first drop down, forming the first support, where if price tries to come back down, it needs to look for a way to respect this level here. So let's take it back to the daily time frame here, which is very important for the market to close with this red candlestick. It's not a good sign at all, and if it pushes back down, we should be expecting these two levels to for price to test these two levels to the downside. And more to that, I also talked about the bearish divergence, which was actually very clear here on the daily time frame. So pretty much was expecting this move, but it came eventually. So it's not something, it's new, it's not new. So so more to that, we're still looking at this weekly time frame, and still waiting for the ETF, if it will be approved, and the news that will be coming in later today. Today is Tuesday, so the news that will be coming in later today, we're gonna get some kind of fireworks today, more volatility in the market today, so we should be very careful with what we trade today. Okay, so far so good. We're still getting this range. It's very, very important. If we push higher, of which I'm seeing the 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish move to the upside, but not 100% sure if that will actually work. So let me just show you guys the 1 2 3 4 bullish move to the upside. So I'm looking at this as this is 2 though, 2, and this is 1, and this is 3 here. So that's more reason why I said, so this is 3, so we have 1 2 and 3. So at this point we're going to use our Fibonacci extension to measure out the targets. So we have it from here, 1 2 and 3. So Fibonacci extension ratio, let's get those ratios out. Just the extensions, we don't need this, 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 we don't need this. Just 1.618, 1.414, 1.212, then that is okay here. So this would probably be a target if price violates these two. Remember, these two is now a new resistance which price will find it difficult to break out above, but over time this has actually played out, but we'll wait to see what will happen. So we'll just watch what price will do within this range, and we'll get to see what next move we should be expecting. Remember, again, today will be more volatile. Okay, so back to the daily time frame. Let's not forget, we're having this bullish angulation to the upside. So this is going up and this is gradually turning up. So guys, that's just what I want to share with you guys. Make sure you try to watch the previous video where I talked about this setup, and also do well to join my Signal channel. Check the link in the description below. Do well to chat me up if you have any question. Let me know what you think about this video. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye bye guys.